Natural hazards, such as earthquakes, volcanoes, and hurricanes, cannot always be prevented, but their impacts can be significantly reduced through effective preparation and management. Today, we'll explore the key methods used to prepare and plan for hazards. Let's break down how we can successfully save lives through preparation. Step 1. Forecasting and monitoring technologies. One of the most important methods of hazard preparation is forecasting, which involves monitoring environmental changes to predict when a hazard may occur. Advances in technology have greatly improved forecasting accuracy. For earthquakes, while precise prediction is not possible, scientists use seismometers to detect stress buildups along fault lines. In Japan, the nationwide earthquake early warning system can send alerts seconds before strong shaking begins, allowing trains to stop and people to take cover, saving thousands of lives during events such as the 2011 earthquake. For volcanoes, monitoring includes measuring gas emissions, ground deformation, and seismic activity. Mount Etna in Italy is an example of a closely monitored volcano, thus enabling authorities to issue timely evacuation orders before major eruptions. Satellites play a crucial role in monitoring large-scale hazards, particularly tropical storms and hurricanes. Weather satellites can track storm formation, wind speed, rainfall, and movement across oceans. For example, the United States National Hurricane Center uses satellite data to predict hurricane paths days in advance. Improved forecasting helped reduce fatalities during Hurricane Ian in 2022, as they were able to evacuate earlier. Satellites can also be used to monitor droughts, floodings, and volcanic ash clouds, helping authorities plan responses and reduce economic disruption. Step 3 is early warning systems. An early warning system combines data forecasting with communication networks to alert populations at risk. These systems are particularly effective for fast onset hazards. In Chile, earthquake early warning systems and strict building regulations have significantly reduced death tolls despite frequent high magnitude earthquakes. Similarly, with Bangladesh, they have a cyclone warning system which uses sirens, mobile alerts, and radio broadcasts, which have reduced cyclone deaths from hundreds of thousands in the 1970s to just a few thousand in recent events. Step 4. Preparation, planning, and infrastructure. Preparedness also involves physical planning, such as building design, evacuation routes, and shelters. In earthquake-prone regions like California, strict building codes ensure that structures can withstand ground shaking, reducing the likelihood that they collapse. In Japan, regular earthquake drills are conducted in schools and workplaces, ensuring that citizens know how to respond immediately. Coastal areas exposed to tsunamis and hurricanes may often build sea walls, raise their housing up, and build storm shelters, as we see in parts of Bangladesh and Japan. Step 5 is education, awareness, and community preparedness. Education and awareness are essential for reducing vulnerability. Public information campaigns teach people how to respond before, during, and after hazards. In Japan, disaster education is embedded in the school curriculum, contributing to calm and organized responses during emergencies. In contrast, countries with limited education and communication systems often experience higher death tolls, highlighting the importance of awareness in saving lives. While natural hazards cannot be stopped, their impacts can greatly be reduced through effective forecasting, monitoring, education, and planning. Countries that invest in preparation consistently experience lower death tolls and faster recovery, demonstrating that hazard management is a critical part of sustainable development.